Introducing Ford's first all-electric Explorer and new EV crossover. Ford's first all-electric Explorer has rolled off the production line at its new Cologne EV facility, offering a 5-seat family SUV aimed at the European market. The Explorer EV is based on Volkswagen's MEB platform, offering 470 liters of storage, a 15 movable touchscreen, and fast charging capabilities. After re-engineering the new EV with an updated NMC battery, Ford's electric Explorer is ready to roll out. With a new battery, the electric Explorer can drive over 374 miles, 600 kilometers on a single charge. The Explorer EV is available in a single-motor RWD and a dual-motor AWD version in Europe, with prices expected to start at around £39,875, $50,000. Ford will reveal its new sports EV crossover soon ahead of production later this year. The company is already planning its second EV in the region, following the success of the electric Explorer. What do you think? Would you buy an electric Explorer in the US? Or do you believe smaller EVs are the way to go? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.